Good morning, everybody. I hope you are all doing well. I hope you are also keeping warm on this chilly morning. So today I'm going to show you an activity called the Shortbead Stair. Some of you already know this activity and some of you are still learning this activity. But today we are going to use the Shortbead Stair with number cards, counting through the quantities from 1 to 9. The Shortbead Stair is found on our numeracy shelf at school. I'm going to build the Shortbead Stair like the one at school. We are going to go all the way from 1 to number 10. This is how our Shortbead Stair looks at school. What shape does it make? Yes, a triangle. In your pack, you'll find the bead cards like this. Can you help me count how many beads are on this card? 1. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And now I introduce you to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 beads. We have finished putting our bead cards out, and now it's time to count through the number cards. 1, number 1. 2, number 2. 3, number 3. 4, number 4. 5, number 5. 6, number 6. 7, number 7. 8, number 8. 9, number 9. And lastly, introducing the tens. 10, number 10. Now we are going to match the beads to the numbers. 1, 1. 2, 1, 2. Number 3, 1, 2, 3. Number 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Number 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And lastly, number 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go. We did it. We matched the beads to the cards. Another nice way to do it is to mix all the numbers up in a random order and try and find the correct bead to go with that number. I hope you had fun working with me today using the Shortbead Stair and the number cards. I hope you enjoyed this activity with Mommy and Daddy, and thank you for working with me. From Teacher Kirsty.